Hello students, myself Praveen Singh and I welcome all of you on behalf of Institute of Basic Education, that is IBE Itanagar. So in this particular video I am going to talk about the new exam pattern and the new syllabus that has been introduced by the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. So the first of all, these are what the three phases these are the three phases, and to qualify or to get a job you have to appear in all these phases. The first phase is the prelims exam, the second is the mains, and the third one is the personal interview. Got it? The mains exam is what it is of the objective. Got it? Here you will have the multiple choice questions, and among the four choices you have to opt one. And the mains examination would be subjective, and then comes the personal interview. We will look into the marks as well of each and every exam, but let us first talk one by one. So let us start with the new pattern of the prelims exam. Got it? So before this new pattern, you have the two papers. I am talking about the prelims. Here I am just writing the prelims. Before this, uh, we have what, the two papers. One was for the optional, and the second one was the GS. Got it? But now onwards you have the general study and the CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test. Now this old pattern has been removed and this is your new pattern. One is general study and the second one is the CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test, and the both paper will have the 200 marks. Got it? Here you have around 100 questions of 2 marks each, and here you have around 80 questions around 2.5 marks each. Got it? And this paper is going to be what, qualifying in nature. This is qualifying in nature. So what does this qualifying means? The marks of this paper is not going to count in what, in your we can say in your selection process. Here you have to attain only around 33%. That's it. If you are attaining 33%, then you will be this paper is going to be count. Got it? So the marks of this general study is of utmost important. Here you have to attain only 33%, and on the basis of the general study it would be decided by the commission that whether you are going to appear in the mains exam or not. Got it? So let us first look at the prelims syllabus. So this is your prelim syllabus. I have told you that uh, in the prelims you have the two paper. One is the general study and the second one is the aptitude test, also known as CSAT. Both paper will have 200 marks, and this is the syllabus. Got it? So this the general study includes what, the current events of national and international importance, the history of India. Then you have the geography of India and the geography of world as well. Then you have the Indian polity, the constitutions, the political system, Panchayati Raj, the public policy and the rights issue, etc. Then you have the economy. Under economy you have to study the sustainable development, poverty, demographics, social sector initiatives, etc. And then comes the environment and ecology. Here you have to study the biodiversity, climate change, pollution, etc. And the last general science. And the general science, you have to study the physics, chemistry, bio, and some current questions related to technology. Got it? So this paper is of what? Very important. Why this is very important? Because on the basis of this paper, it would be decided by the commissions whether you are going to write or appear in the mains exam or not. So here, if you attend around 55% or 60%, then you will be qualified for what? For mains examination. Now let us look at the CSAT syllabus. Here you have the comprehension. Paragraph would be given there, and on the basis of that paragraph you have to study that paragraph, and on the basis of that paragraph you have to answer the questions. Then comes the interpersonal skills, and including communication skills, then the logical reasoning and analytical ability, the decision making and problem solving. Then comes the general mental ability and the basic maths or the basic numeracy. Got it? So these are what the syllabus, and I have already told you that paper 2 of the Arunachal Pradesh public service combined competitive prelims examination will be qualifying paper with minimum qualifying marks is what is fixed at 33%. You have to attain 33%, and the marks of the CSAT is not going to be counted in your selection process. Got it? And both the papers will have what? The objective type, that is the multiple choice. You have the four choice, and among them you have to choose one. Got it? And it is mandatory for all the students to appear in both the papers. Got it? So this was all about your the prelims syllabus. We IBE are dedicated to provide you a good quality material and a very good online and offline classroom programs. Got it? So if any students wanted to join the online or offline classroom, then you are most welcome. Got it? We have our app on the name of IBE. You can simply download it from the Google. Got it? So in the next video, I will talk about the changes of what that has been introduced by the APPSC in the mains examination. Till then, goodbye and thank you.